Looking for a shampoo that truly cares for your hair without stripping it dry? Live Clean Coconut Milk Moisturizing Shampoo offers a gentle cleanse while deeply hydrating and balancing your hair. Infused with coconut oil, vitamins C and E, and rice protein, this formula goes beyond basic cleaning. It nourishes and strengthens from root to tip. What sets Live Clean apart is its commitment to natural, plant-derived ingredients. With at least 97% plant and water-based components, this shampoo avoids parabens, sodium lauryl sulfate, and dyes, ingredients that often irritate or damage hair over time. Plus, it's hypo-allergenic and cruelty-free, proudly recognized by the Leaping Bunny program, so you know you're choosing a product that's kind to both your scalp and the planet. Many users appreciate how this shampoo doesn't leave hair feeling dry or stripped. One satisfied customer shared how pairing it with the matching conditioner creates a balanced, clean feel without overpowering scents. The subtle fragrance lets your natural hair shine without competing with your perfume, making it perfect for everyday use. And the price point offers solid value for a high-quality, clean shampoo. If you want a shampoo that respects your hair's natural moisture and supports a greener planet, Live Clean Coconut Milk Moisturizing Shampoo is worth a look. It's designed for those who want effective cleansing without compromising on gentle care or ethical standards. Try it when you're ready to switch to a cleaner, more nourishing hair routine. Ready to make the switch? Live Clean Coconut Milk Moisturizing Shampoo delivers what you get: hydration, balance, and peace of mind with every wash. Experience the difference of a shampoo that's as good for your hair as it is for the environment.